All right, guys, we're going to make another fall favorite. So we need some sage, 1 spicy pepper, onion, garlic, and some heavy cream and butternut squash. Chop and cut all your vegetables. We're going to use half an onion for this, 1 chili pepper, that's spicy, some sage, and a clove of garlic, a little bit of heavy cream. Roast your squash till they're soft. Take out the seeds, and then scoop out your squash, set it aside. And then we are going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, saute our garlic, chili, onion, and a little bit of sage until it's nice and soft. Don't forget to salt and pepper. Always salt and pepper your food. And then we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream, let that reduce a bit. We're going to throw it in a blender and add that squash. Blend it all till it's nice and smooth. Add a little bit more heavy cream, maybe about a half a cup, and then add that squash mixture. Add more sage. You guys, this is like the epitome of fall. Creamy, delicious. I didn't add cheese here. You can add a little more sage. It's so good.